the rapid replacement of household appliances worldwide. Large volumes of end-of-life refrigerators, washing machines, air conditioners, and small appliances are being generated every year. These discarded appliances contain significant amounts of recyclable materials such as steel, copper, aluminum, and plastics, making appliance recycling not only an environmental necessity, but also a long-term, value-driven industry. In emerging markets such as Latin America, mixed household appliance recycling has become a practical and efficient solution due to diverse material sources and unstable single-product supply. To meet this demand, we designed and manufactured a mixed shredding and sorting line for household appliance waste, allowing different types of appliances to be processed together without strict pre-sorting. The core concept of this system is to focus on material properties rather than product categories, ensuring stable operation and high metal recovery, even with complex and variable input materials. The process begins with a hopper conveyor that ensures continuous and stable feeding of mixed household appliances into the system. A heavy-duty double-shaft shredder performs primary size reduction, breaking down bulky appliances and liberating internal components while maintaining controlled output size. After shredding, the material is transferred to a sorting conveyor equipped with a manual sorting platform, where operators selectively recover high-value copper materials, such as copper wires and copper pipes, that are already released during the primary shredding stage. This step plays a critical role in maximizing copper recovery and preventing unnecessary crushing losses. The remaining material then enters a hammer crusher for secondary crushing, further improving material liberation and preparing the mixture for efficient downstream separation. Ferrous metals are recovered using a countersuction magnetic separator, which ensures stable and high-purity iron separation, even with irregular and mixed materials. Non-ferrous metals are then separated through a two-stage eddy current separation system, significantly increasing aluminum recovery rates and improving overall separation accuracy. This mixed shredding and sorting line is characterized by strong material adaptability, high automation, and reliable operation. By combining early-stage manual recovery of high-value copper with proven mechanical and physical separation technologies, the system delivers both environmental compliance and strong economic performance. It is an ideal solution for recycling plants and regional recycling centers seeking a flexible, cost-effective, and scalable approach to mixed household appliance recycling.